Of course, even a new electric 500 will require a little servicing. But compared to combustion engines, it's a totally different story. Conventional cars are very complex, made with lots of different moving parts, pipes, filters and liquids. The new electric 500 is much simpler to service because it is made of fewer components subject to wear and tear. So, scheduled maintenance costs are up to 35% less than a car with a combustion engine. Not only that, but you can count on a battery warranty. 8 years. And 160,000 kilometers. What's more, the new electric 500 comes equipped with an innovative connected system that allows you to update your infotainment over the air without the need for a dealership. So, you can just relax and enjoy what you really care about.